Malawi Brief.
Pofuna kuonetsetsa kuti blanta yaoneke bwino, mfumu ya mzinda yawo a Jomo lero kummawaku akumana ndi eni mashopu ndi kuwalimbikitsa kuti asamachite umve panja pa mashopuwa. Zambiri mu video.
Mashopu atuke panja ina aliyesi. Agwa kule. Hey, come here.
Yes. How are you, Mr. Jomo?
I'm good, and you?
Yes.
You see this place? Are you cleaning or not?
Yes, yes.
Are you cleaning? Do you see this place? The way it looks.
Because this watchman, I want.
Your house, can you leave your house like this?
Sorry.
Eh?
Yes, yes.
In
sir.
your country, you can leave these things like this. Come. Come on. Come. Hey. Come. Come and see. Come on and see. Look at this. Look at this. What are you doing? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Hey, come. I say, why you done? What show you done? Look at this. You can't just have someone to clean the place. Come on. I want to clean this. I don't want anything from you. What I want, you find someone to clean the place. Look at this stuff. Look at this. Come. Look at this. Are you serious? You can't clean here. Right? You can't clean here. And you are making business.
No, you're not only my shop.
Okay, your shop is there. Good one. Your shop is there. So you need to clean here. Come on.
Oh, okay.
You are not cleaning.
You need
to clean it. Come here. Come on. Osasamala is understand. Yeah, it's just son. But we started doing and go to die. And this, if the family saw, you know the Sunday, it's also the son. Kababu. You don't understand, don't you? You don't understand. You don't understand. Yeah, it's on and it's also the Sunday. It's the Sunday. It's the Sunday. Eh? It's the Sunday. It's the Sunday. That's why I go so. You only say that Sunday. You open up the door, hey, come. Come on.
Yeah, but this also have my shop.
Come. Look at this. Come. I'm having the donor. Look at this. You open that stand. You didn't know that stand. Eh? But yeah, but see, I don't want.
No, I organize for another shop.
Yeah, but you people are doing business here. You need to take care of the place. We need the place to look good.
Yes, you are right.
Eh? Look at what is happening now. Go together, you need to make this. I need to find this place. Very big one like
Yes,
this.
okay. I'm sure. Give me one day. Tomorrow.
If you are not doing this, I'll come and close the shop. Because we need cleanliness here.
Yes, you are right.
We don't need this.
Just to give you one day.
I will name.
Because another shop will not be able to come.
You see, the guys is supposed to hold up now, but you see that, and the work are really grab a pan. So you think that we know how to get up with it. I said, you sit down and put it. How else is your shop? Come down and do everybody need awakule mapini tu awantu wakozokula mapini otaira site singabwelese shopping and what's clean.
Worship. He's also the shop owner.
Apart. You know, can't stand Ungeanga ndo wamisali nangotoka huko uzaona hao wazipanga clean mara wapangira business ana pesa drama apange clean mara ndani yote ni ndibele pano andibase drama hai ndani yote akonze mnotone da au panga drama ndumba kwao yo kukakaizo orozuko la wanga lori ndiye ndo ndo mayambisa iya ndiye chani anu kale kumenga ni makoko ndi msisi wako anu abwera pano ndasiya wako sosapeleze so chibwana ndimene ndo we need to be serious inu woka Malawi malo moti nuso munene kuti abwana amene abwerera ndikuti akutithandiza ife Malawi awakupita dziko lawo sangalole zimenezi mapena anthu alamanena kuti Malawi ndikwauke ndikuyambisa ndina Malawi amene inu gwirani ntchito yanu ifenso tigwire ntchito yanu ine ndabwabalo zagwira ntchito yanu iwo kandiuze ndi iyayi zasande uve onse uli kuno kwasande I'll come again tomorrow. If I find this, all this, I'll go to this. Yeah, you need to discuss. All of you, of course, everyone. You need to clean the premises. We don't need these premises to be like this. Okay? Okay.
No, even right now, I organize the other shop.
Hey. Organize this.
Yes.
I'll come again tomorrow. If I find this place like this, I'll close.
Okay.
Yeah.
With this cap, we put some more oil. I make very nice.
Clean your premises. This looks good.
Yes, you are right. You are right.
Alfai kupanda msalimukula antu akiponza tuziko la tuli awanga business unaoneka kunaona nisikale kala na samalila kalikali mosema wakoneka kalipaka kalikaango tola basi mosema anaita nganaona mosema mazanga idelio mabedaja kuzuza wina wache yema upanga business musuko pale mazo sio ndio utakuyenga umiseo omiso singani hapo wanga drama zingana kwa Nebani, kuja kukusanya kwa sababu ya kwa kukusanya kwa watu hawakuze kile. Kaona na wakungokolo papa ati ni wakungokolo papa ni bozani. Kila watu na kuchi. Siko tizo zote za ngukala. Okay. Ema. Ni watu ni uzani mkona. Kupanda ni mmoja wao. Wanu wauza chilo wanu laini yanu haya Samala ukula zimizoni hapo kwa kudogo zote tunabanga sababu abu yanga nyabu yangu tungani note guys. When are you starting? Come on. Who can do that? Again, the one is fast. What's that? Yes, come on.
Wait for him here. Waiting.
Bomaka amo nogano kwa ubuda. Abo yangu kwezana. Aba.
Come in. Hey.
Come on, hey, come. Madam, come. The English is good. Very English. But the problem now, see this. Come on. I want to show you. I want to show you. Hey, look at this. Your shop is here. You can't find someone to move this place. Huh? You're waiting all this from here. You can't clean it. They are clean. Moving out. And we are not without it. Huh? And you will. Go side. Hey, how many? I got now brush. Aku nunca, cara. Jomo nditalizire umpeze munadi wa building iyi mumuzi otokera kutaona nzomwe zikuchikuzaona pakunungata mungayi taonani pabe Jomo akupanga ndiyene tomwe ndizipanga ndikasantu amabisala ndisabwa zakusetani mashopu mawa ndikabwera ndikabiza zone. Tomorrow when I come I'll find this thing like this. I'll close all the shops. We need cleanliness. Yeah, clean. Ola baba mwena baba mbalibeza nyama tena ajoti afukapa babanja bazoneka bizokino singani kuyayi singani yawi nabi mbana makola hawa kusamva koma nawe na gamamba ndama kulisa banja kusamba come here, we are talking this way. Oh, come. Now, how do you do business? Don't speak English. Hey, stop. No, stop. I must stop again in that. Come on, now, with that. Eh? Pena mabanga dalatwa. Abaganga sabu bazona di. Abaganga dala kuda unireka di matoro. No English, but you know English. I want cleanliness. If you are not doing clean, we need clean here. I don't want to find this when I come tomorrow. Mawa ndiwe. Town ino dufuna wina aliyesa kenge bombati. Simuntu mozi ya. Inu wa bese wina waja basisesa bazoneka kuneko. Awona mepa kunukira bamaro olokulia olonyumba mawo yangaka. Olozuko awanga lodikale lot. Nani mwenyabu yanganira ichi? Ali kuti mwenyabu yanganira ichi? Tama mwindale?
Ali kutali kupanda bawe.
Biro kwaje bali?
Kwani ziku. Panda bawe. Panda bawe kwa wiro kani.
Hizi safu ziwaso bwana. Kuna bwana ukuja aone ni mike. Hizi zangu suri kama ndiki yana do hii. Kama kala kitabu kina daga.
This is down bagay. Ajosana. Oma you down now.
Ya kukondia ni mistake ya karetika.
You know sabule mali gani bwana ni mtu sasa.
Hao na ngari muna liki ya kuleta kwa gani.
Yes, I need to clean, clean. Pay money for the move. I'll come tomorrow. I want to see.
Maybe
No, hey, what's that? What's that? You took it.
What do you want? Just a
You about your hotel. Me, every day me come here. You about too much.
Today, clean. Tomorrow I'll come and see clean.
You took it about out.
Clean. Okay.
So much, Jomo. Nobody is in that.
Hey, I will. Mapanga complain. Angoma ukala ugogo. Leo upanga ugogo. Leo ukita ugogo. Ngele ndisibona ngidumu mato. The band has some reservations. The band.